Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanta Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering Technology. We will conduct now practical number 9, toughness of the ductile and brittle material by the Izod impact test. Practical significance: several engineering materials have to withstand impact or sudden applied load while in service. These loads are applied suddenly. The stress induced in this component is many times more than the stress produced by the same load applied gradually. Therefore, impact tests are performed to assess the shock absorbing capacity. Relevant course outcomes. Program outcomes are there. Basic knowledge, PO number 1 and PO number 3 is experiment and practice. Competency skill. Competency skill is that the practical is expected to develop the following skill for the industry identify competency. Estimate stress in a structural member and mechanical properties of a material. Select and use the relevant measuring instrument for the measuring dimension of the specimen. Perform Izod impact test to evaluate the toughness of a ductile and brittle material. Relevant course outcome is there. Perform to evaluate the mechanical properties according to Indian standard. Practical outcome is that evaluate the toughness of ductile and brittle materials such that mild steel, aluminium, brass, copper, cast iron by conducting the Izod impact test as per the Indian standard 1598. You may see the block diagram. There is a machine, and in middle I have shown the attachment of the specimen in the machine. There is a notch in the specimen. See the specimen before, so how to attach and after test. After test means when the hammer strikes on the specimen in upper portion, see the specimen how it is getting damaged. I will show you the animation. You may understand very quickly. See the animation. I will take the material cast iron. After taking the material cast iron, I will go front. I will release in. After releasing, you may see energy loss. Loss of energy due to the friction, 4 joules. How the specimen is getting, I am putting in a machine. You may see vertically. Holding the vertically. Bottom part is fixed, upper portion is free. On upper portion the hammer is getting strike and material is getting deformed. So we study for the ductile and brittle material. So material specimen is attached in machine. Now I will release the hammer. It will get strike and how the material is getting break, you may see. So total energy, the total loss of energy during the transit of hammer is 10 joules. Energy for the failure specimens is 10 minus energy loss of due to friction is 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6 joules. After that, observation is there. Initial energy of hammer is 164 joules. Average loss of energy due to friction is 4 joules. Total loss of energy is 10 joules, and energy for failure of the specimen is 6 joules. So you may see the ductile material. In brittle material the material is getting break in 2 pieces, but in ductile it is getting stretched, little bit stretch. It get bends and it gets only stretch. It don't get in 2 pieces. Research required. We required the one Izod impact test machine. And specimens also of different materials of mild steel, aluminium, brass, copper, cast iron. Precautions to be followed: avoid improper handling of the instrument. Lock the hammer in the position before placing the specimen. Ensure that the broken piece of the specimen do not hurt the students. Read the value from the Izod impact test, Izod scale only. There is one scale. You have to read the reading from there only. What we have concluded? We have concluded to evaluate the toughness and ductile materials such as the MS, aluminium, brass, copper, cast iron by conducting the Izod impact test as per Indian standard 1598. Thank you.